Hi, creative people, and good evening. I hope you all are good. Well, I'm here with another video. Okay, so on a previous few videos, I created a series of video where I try to explain about the Adobe Illustrator. Okay, on the series of video that you can learn from basic to advanced. Okay, or start to end. Okay, whatever you can call it, but the way I prepared, it's a kind of ultimate course for absolute beginner and the intermediate level of Adobe Illustrator user. Okay, you will get each and every details. Okay, in the details, each and every points, each and every effects or feature or tools, control panel, each and everything that if you want to know or if you want to try, want to learn everything about the Adobe Illustrator from completely absolute beginner to the end of or to become a master over the Adobe Illustrator, then obviously you can go back and you can watch my series of video. Okay. Well, from now on, I'm starting the Adobe. Sorry, something. Okay. Though Adobe is acquired Figma, but it's like it's called a Figma. Okay. Well, from now on, I'm going to create a video series of video for the Figma. Okay, for the absolute beginner. Okay, this video series of video also will be the for absolute beginner. So why I'm creating this series of video for targeting absolute beginner? I just wanted to create some kind of structure on my YouTube video. Okay, starting from beginning to the related with the designing field. Okay, so Illustrator obviously designing. Okay, and now I will begin with the Adobe. Sorry, no, Figma. Okay, so Figma for the UX UI designer to create a very good user centric what do you call a user interface. Okay, and you can create a wireframing, prototype, mockups, everything. Okay, mobile and web based applications and the mobile version or tablet version, anything. Okay, for the digital product. Even you can create a presentation slide, and even you can create a social post or any kind of design. Okay, you can use Figma for anything, but the main what do you call target is for the user interface design. Okay, so this series of video will be completely targeting for the absolute beginner and the intermediate level of Figma user. So you will get each and every option, each and every feature, each and every tools that comes now in depth, in details. You will get, okay, how to use it. Okay, I will treat like, or I'm imagine, or I will think the user is like using Adobe Figma at the very first time. Okay, like a baby. Okay, I don't want to make such a video in between where you guys get confused, or maybe you find quite hard to follow. I know there are lots of YouTube videos, there are lots of great tutorial that you can find over the internet, but this series of video is a little bit different than other. Okay, why? Let me tell you the why my video is a little bit different. First, my target is for the absolute beginner, and I'm going one each menus one by one. Okay, before starting this video, I watched a couple of other good what do you call it, YouTube videos and some other tutorial about the Figma. But what I found is they are starting with the project. Okay, so sometimes what happen, if you are absolute beginner and you don't have any idea, or you have never opened the Figma, then it will be very overwhelming and very like hard to understand how to start the project and how you can like create a user interface. Okay, though they are quite good. Okay, because if we have any basic experience with Figma and some other tools, design tools, then obviously you can cope up with that. Okay, I'm not like arguing those video. Those are absolute good because I learned so many things from that video, and I am a self learner UX web designer. Okay, I don't have any college degree or anything to like educate you and to do a job in the real market. So Okay, this is the reason that I'm creating, or I'm targeting, or I'm focusing the absolute beginner, absolute persons. Okay, so I hope you will love my courses, and you will like, and you will follow from start to finish. And so see you in the next video, and I will start with the very beginner, okay? And I will show you how to install the Figma, and how to register. And there is another way to get free, okay? The Figma is paid version. You can get free, uh, like a professional, or what do you call, paid version in a free. Okay, I'll show you how you can get the paid version of Figma in a free. Okay, it's not a clickbait or anything. I'm not going to write you or get the free Figma, get paid version of Figma in a free. Okay, I don't want to create that, but there is a very legal and legitimate way to get the paid version in a free. And let me give you a simple idea. If you have a college or university ID, email ID, then you can get. Okay, I will show you the how you can get that. Okay, that's all. Anyway, so that's all for this video. See you in the next video, where I will introduce the Adobe. So sorry, I'm so sorry. It's not Adobe Figma. It's a content absolute Figma, only Figma. So sorry. Anyway, so I'll see you in the next video, and we will enjoy the journey of this series of video. Bye bye.